There is a famous Native American proverb that goes, "We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors, we borrow it from our children." Borrow, 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 borrow. That's right. We are borrowing from the future generation. And look at the situation we are in. Uh-oh. Uh-huh. Is there something we can do about it? There certainly is. In over 50 countries across the world, passionate young people like you and I are leading other students and even some teachers, school staff, and parents in what is known as the Eco Schools program. This program puts us in charge. We decide what we need to learn about the environment and how we should protect it. The first step is to establish an Eco Schools committee consisting of students as the core and adult members supporting us. Then, together, we investigate the environmental issues faced by the school and our community in what is called an environmental review. We'll soon realize that there is a lot we can do to improve how we treat the environment and use resources. To make things manageable, we'll need to choose just one or two eco themes to focus on. The third step is to discuss our findings, consult, decide on an eco theme, exchange ideas, and finally, together, draw up a detailed action plan based on the theme. And get to work! As we work, we monitor our progress. That is the crucial step 4. With the right support from our teachers, we can proceed to step 5, where our teachers plan lessons to give us the knowledge and skills needed to implement the action plan. Slowly, we can get the whole school, neighborhood, and maybe even the entire town involved. Informing and involving is step 6. The last and final step is to draw an eco code. This can be a motto, song, or drawing that represents our school's commitment to the environment. After we've gone through the 7 steps, though awards may come our way, the real reward for our effort is the everyday joys. The Eco Schools program by WWF Malaysia